This area where the chain meets the sprocket is deadly. No fingers. We all know motorcycles are a little bit dangerous, but there's one element that a lot of us are not aware of. Doesn't matter the motorcycle you have, chains and sprockets are dangerous. Even on bicycles. They want to pinch your fingers, they want to cut your fingers off, and your toes too. But on single-sided swing arms, it's way worse. I'm Gogo for SuperDuke.com. Let's talk about the Shark Guard and the Super Duke and you not losing your fingers. Here's the issue. When you crash, you have little control of where your body goes, how fast you tumble, where you tumble, a little bit of control, but not really that much. And you have zero control of where your bike goes. And when you start a crash, you're sitting right here. Look how close you are to the sprocket, and your arms are flailing. If your hand goes there, or your foot goes there, and trust me, it happens all the time. There are very well-known World Superbike title holders that don't have fingers and toes. They're missing because of situations like this. So let's demonstrate exactly how dangerous this is. Hi, Daisy. You want to help us? You want to help us see how dangerous the sprocket is? You want to go in there? You don't want to go in there, right? Daisy does not want to help. All right, go. I made us a hand. We're going to see how this hand, while crashing, endures its clash with the chain and sprocket. Okay, so you are crashing, and the wheel is spinning, and you're going all over the place. And your hand, what's going to happen when it goes right there? This is what's going to happen. Where's my fingers? So there you go. If this already happened to you, I'm sorry I didn't get to this sooner. You can see the problem area, but this is a stock bike. What if you changed your gearing? What if you changed your sprocket size and you went bigger? Stock on this bike is a 38 tooth. I race with a 44 tooth. So what's that like? Okay, so here's my highly modified 1290 Super Duke Gen 3 race bike. So much success with this bike, it's the best. But look, I crashed several times. Crashes happen. That's what happens. This is the pavement, and this is the sprocket. Look at how much more room there is for me to get my hands caught in here. Even in a crash, if my hand hit this, it's gonna be pulled down towards the chain. So that's why I didn't make a guard that only did like a little triangle like typical, because on a single-sided swing arm, so it's all open. It's all wide open. You could even catch your hand here on the top side and it would get dragged down towards the chain. This freaks me out. It always has. And finally, I did something really cool about it. But let me just show you how dangerous this is. Even worse on a race bike. Okay, I'm crashing. Everything's going all over the place. And here's my hand. No fingers. For the rest of my life. That is not thumbs up. That's bad. Okay, so here it is. This is the Shark Guard mounted on a 1390 Super Duke Evo in this case, but they're all the same. The RRs if they come out with one, the 1290 Super Duke, the Gen 3, they're all the same. I'm in the process of making them also for the Gen 2 and the Gen 1 and the GT. So it's gonna be great. We're all gonna have our fingers protected for life, which is excellent. And I'm really stoked and excited about it. And for the most of all, it's if I can help one of us in our family of Super Duke riders not get maimed by the chain, I've done good things. I'm Gogo for SuperDuke.com. And if you do anything, please do one thing for me. Take care of yourself.